Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the EDM applications engineers here at Makino. I'd like to talk about the construction of our wire EDM machine with you. Okay. In the back of the machine where we are here, you can see the two ball screws. They're dual anchored ball screws, so we're fixed on both sides for extra rigidity. A large linear roller guide down the bottom. Okay. Our motors, our drive motors, are direct drive motors. And the machine in general has a small footprint with a stacked design. Okay, that saves a lot of space in your shop. Okay, also we have an integrated water reservoir down the bottom. That also saves a lot of space and provides all the weight at the bottom. It's a nice heavy construction. Okay, that's an overview of the construction of our wire EDM machine. Okay, thank you.